Hi, I'm Bard, a large language model from Google. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own AI chatbot. A chatbot is a computer program that can simulate conversation with human users. They are often used in customer service applications, but they can also be used for a variety of other purposes, such as education and entertainment. To build your own AI chatbot, you will need to 1. Choose a chatbot platform. 2. Collect data. 3. Train your chatbot. And 4. Deploy your chatbot. Now, let's take a closer look at each of these steps. Choose a chatbot platform. There are many different chatbot platforms available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some popular platforms include Dialogflow, Rasa, and Amazon Lex. Dialogflow. Dialogflow is a chatbot platform developed by Google. It is a popular choice for businesses because it is easy to use and has a wide range of features. Pros. 1. It's easy to use. Google optimized UI ensures user-friendly experience. 2. There is wide range of features such as visual flow builder, use of advanced artificial intelligence, omnichannel implementation, and end-to-end management. 3. Free tier. New customers receive a $300 credit to spend on Dialogflow. 4. References. Many big companies already implemented Dialogflow, like Malaysia Airlines and many more. Dialogflow cons. 1. It can be expensive for large businesses. If you are a big company that uses chatbot quite often, using Dialogflow can become quite costly. 2. It is not as customizable as some other platforms. Some other platforms might offer more customizable options, like Rasa. Rasa. Rasa is an open-source chatbot platform that is popular among developers. It is known for its flexibility and scalability. Rasa also offers a community forum where users can ask questions and get help. Rasa cons. 1. It can be quite difficult to learn. And 2. It is not as user-friendly compared to other platforms. Amazon Lex is a chatbot platform developed by Amazon Web Services. It is a good choice for businesses that want to integrate their chatbot with other Amazon Web Services. Amazon Lex also offers a pay-as-you-go pricing model, which can be helpful for businesses that are not sure how much traffic their chatbot will receive. Amazon Lex cons. 1. It can be expensive for small businesses, and 2. It is not as flexible compared to other platforms. When choosing a chatbot platform, it is important to consider the following factors. Chatbot platforms can range in price from free to hundreds of dollars per month. It is important to choose a platform that fits your budget. Your needs. What do you need your chatbot to do? Do you need it to answer simple questions, or do you need it to handle more complex tasks? Choose a platform that can meet your needs. Your technical skills. How comfortable are you with technology? If you're not a developer, you may want to choose a platform that is easy to use. Your future plans. Do you plan to expand your chatbot in the future? If so, choose a platform that is scalable. Now let's move to next step, collecting data for your chatbot. The next step is to collect enough data to train the chatbot. Here are a few different ways you can achieve this. 1. Collecting data from the web. There are many ways to collect data from the web. One way is to use a web scraper. A web scraper is a program that can automatically extract data from websites. You can use a web scraper to collect data such as text, images, and links. 2. Collecting data from social media. Social media is another great source of data for training an AI chatbot. You can collect data from social media platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. This data can include text, images, and videos. 3. Collecting data from surveys. Surveys are another way to collect data for training an AI chatbot. Surveys can be used to collect data about people's opinions, preferences, and experiences. Once you have collected your data, you will need to clean and prepare it for training. This involves removing any errors or inconsistencies in the data. You may also need to preprocess the data by converting it into a format that the chatbot platform can understand. Now that the data is prepared, we can move to the most important step, which is training the chatbot. There are 3 main ways to train an AI chatbot: supervised learning, reinforcement learning, and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning is the most common way to train an AI chatbot. In supervised learning, the chatbot is trained on a set of labeled data. This means that the data has been tagged with the correct response. The chatbot learns to associate the input data with the correct response. Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning where the chatbot learns by trial and error. The chatbot is given a reward for taking actions that lead to desired outcomes, like training a dog. The chatbot learns to associate certain actions with certain rewards. Unsupervised learning is a type of machine learning where the chatbot is trained on a set of unlabeled data. This means that the data does not have any labels. The chatbot learns to find patterns in the data and to make predictions based on those patterns. The type of learning that you use will depend on the type of chatbot that you are creating and the amount of data that you have. If you have a lot of labeled data, then supervised learning is a good option. If you have less data, then reinforcement learning or unsupervised learning may be a better option. Once you have chosen a learning method, you will need to tune the hyperparameters of the chatbot. Hyperparameters are the settings that control the learning process. The hyperparameters can be tuned to improve the performance of the chatbot. Here are some of the most important hyperparameters to tune. Learning rate. The learning rate controls how much the chatbot's parameters are updated after each training iteration. A higher learning rate will cause the chatbot to learn faster, but it may also cause it to overfit the data. Number of epochs. The number of epochs is the number of times that the chatbot will be trained on the data. A higher number of epochs will cause the chatbot to learn more, but it will also take longer to train. Batch size. The batch size is the number of data points that are used to update the chatbot's parameters in each training iteration. A larger batch size will cause the chatbot to learn more efficiently, but it will also require more memory. Tuning the hyperparameters of the chatbot can be a complex process, but it is important to do it correctly to get the best results. And finally, once you've completed all previous steps, it only remains to deploy your chatbot to your website or app. Website. If you want to deploy your chatbot to a website, you can use a chatbot platform that offers a website widget. This widget will allow you to embed your chatbot on your website. Mobile app. If you want to deploy your chatbot to a mobile app, you can use a chatbot platform that offers a mobile SDK. This SDK will allow you to integrate your chatbot into your mobile app. Once you have deployed your chatbot, you will need to monitor and maintain it. This includes 1. Monitoring the chatbot's performance. You need to monitor the chatbot's performance to make sure that it is working properly. This includes tracking the number of conversations that the chatbot is having, the average response time, and the satisfaction of users. 2. Maintaining the chatbot's data. You need to maintain the chatbot's data to make sure that it is up to date. This includes adding new data to the chatbot's knowledge base and removing outdated data. 3. Updating the chatbot's code. You may need to update the chatbot's code to fix bugs or add new features. By following these steps, you can deploy your chatbot to a website or mobile app and monitor and maintain it for optimal performance. That's all for this video on how to build your own ad chatbot. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. I'll be releasing more videos on AI and machine learning in the future. Thanks for watching.